There's the dam. There's where the river continues. There's a couple boats out there now. Here's Rodman Reservoir. Very artificial. Still water, still nature. Even if it's clearly here because of this relatively small dam. Lots of people love it, lots of people hate it. Talking to one of the guys, it's like, why would people hate this? Of course people here would say that who are hanging around it, but trying to tell him because of the manatees and the fish, but I'll have to talk about that later. He understood in the summer, I'm sure this does get a bunch of algae, some birds, some turtles. Pretty nice. Nice day. Very nice day. I tend to take that for granted, and then mom says, "Oh wow, there was like no clouds." I was like, "Oh yeah, I guess there was."